y'all, welcome back to the Tech Garage, and this is Mike's PC again. So what's going to change this time is I found the original video card it's supposed to have, and we're actually going to mount that darn SD card's adapter. Start by removing the screws. And hopefully the cover wants to play ball this time. This screw is oversized because as you do this, take the panels off and on a lot. Unfortunately, you might damage the threads. Then you have to chase it and use the next larger size. And it looks like there's not a lot of structure left. So there we go. Got that. Okay. Here's the existing SD card adapter. Go ahead and take that out. But we're going to save the card. There already is a pre-installed copy of Windows 98 on this that already is set up the way Mike likes it. First, let's get that video card out. There we go. Now back to the card heat light. Technically this is a downgrade, but Mike preferred ATI cards to NVIDIA any day of the week. Okay, go ahead and turn it. Okay, I think we could do without the internal zip drive. And I suspect we're going to have to take off the back panel. Funny enough, this didn't used to be a fan slot. That used to be where the speaker was. Okay, looks like it is secured on the other side. So off with the thumb screws. Sometimes I've found that the case on its side like this can help, especially when it's a little banged up right over here. It's a little hard to do and not knock over the camera. Just a moment. Alright, sometimes all you need is just a little bit of leverage. Do like the little Pac-Man cutout right there. Okay. So it's only secured by one screw. Alright, this is where it gets really fun. We're going to want to grab the ribbon cable and put it through here. Because trying to get that on, since it's going to be at a right angle, it's going to be a nightmare. It'll be much easier when I put it on like this. And it looks like I don't have the alignment right, so I get to do that again. have it upside down. Okay. Now these take the larger screw size, one's intended for case screws. Let me grab a few of those real quick. And snug. I'm going to bemoan this later, but should probably put one in on this side. Pretty. So future me's already in advance. Okay. Oh gee, when this gets tangled. There. Got that out. Oh, I see. Why did I do that? I've got plenty of Linux. Trying to connect things backwards again. Alright, I'm still not going to tie these up. I'm just going to kind of wad them up and throw them in here. And don't pretend like you don't do it either. Although, I think we may actually connect the front fan. It's one of these. Hopefully it doesn't have a worn out bearing. This is always the hard part. Getting the darn case back on. Getting the darn covers back on. There we go. Thankfully, on this case, the panels are interchangeable whether they're right or left. Although, who would want to put the glass on this side anyway? Okay. I want to say I think these were knocked out for ventilation purposes, even if it was a bit misguided. There it goes, now it's biting. Alright. So, it's just like when you go to the dentist and you get your dental work done and it doesn't match everything else. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Here we go, booting up Mike's PC. 98 Lite here. We'll probably go more over this in a future video. It's detected the card, but it doesn't have the right drivers, so I'm going to skip for now. And we'll try to install them using the installer. Default options look good. So far, so good. Peter Quill. What? There's more than one way to skin a cat. I suspect this is because of 98 Lite and the modifications necessary. So stand back and watch. This is how you do it the old school way. Just need to verify that these folders existed before we go through the device wizard again. Ranger Girl looks correct. That was one of Mike's favorite characters and favorite custom models from the original Unreal Tournament. There isn't much to show at the moment, aside from Winamp here. And Winamp has a custom skin here of Cloud from Final Fantasy VII. You won't know about that. I don't have any old builds of the classic Mozilla client, so this copy of SeaMonkey with the shortcut renamed to Netscape will have to suffice. This will have to be it for now. We'll do a games video later on. Till then, leave a like, favorite, and subscribe. Have a good one.